issue number 3, whether Faris breached the contract by delivering the uniforms even after the agreed deadline. Is it breaching the essence of the contract under section 11 of the SOGA Act? Okay, breaching the time as essence of the contract. So go to the scenario first. Okay, Faris contracts. Okay, Faris contracts to deliver 100 pieces of a custom-made school uniform to Mrs. Leong within 10 working days. Okay, this is the agreement. Because the school's term starts on the fixed date. Okay, the problem is here. Okay, the problem that Mrs. Leong in dilemma. Okay, that's why she contracted with the Faris. Okay, the contract states delivery must completed by 10 working days from the date of the order. So Mrs. Leong stressed, you see, she stressed that the school has a strict deadline, explained that the uniforms are urgently needed. Faris delivers the uniform only on day 16. The garment meet the agreed design and are good quality, but the school already placed an alternative order with another supplier. Okay, so how many days? Okay, initially 10 working days. Okay, but he delivered it. Okay, he delivered it after day 16. 6 days late. Okay, this is the problem suffered by Mrs. Leong. Okay, issue number 3 now. Issue number 3, whether Faris breached the contract by delivering the uniforms after the agreed deadline. Okay, is it breaching the time as the essence of the contracts under sections 11? Go to your notes now. Okay, if you refer to your notes, okay, we have sections 11. Okay, time of payment is not automatically an essential term. You need to understand first. Okay, based on the law, okay, they said that the payment, okay, the payment for the goods, okay, for the SOGA agreement is not an essential term. That is what acknowledged by the law. But it can become essential if the contract clearly states so. If not stated, the payment timing is treated as a flexible term, like on the reasonable working days, yeah, it should be delivered. Okay, so it's not a condition. But okay, here you need to argue whether there is a essential terms, okay, in relations to the time or not. Okay, of course. Okay, firstly you need to explain what really happened. Okay, go to issue number 3, copy paste. Okay, so Faris supposedly just write. Okay, write from the scenario. You need to alter a bit lah. Okay, because you are actually giving the answer. So when Faris contracts to deliver 100 pieces to Mrs. Leong within 10 days, because since the contract states further to that, Mrs. Leong stressed that the school has a strict deadline and explains that the uniforms are urgently needed. However, Faris only delivers the uniforms on day 16. So although the garments meets the agreed design and or of a good quality, but the school has already placed an alternative order with another supplier. Okay, so the law here, section 11 of SOGA. So what is that? Go to your notes. Okay, make sure you hafal easier. Okay, here SOGA, time of payment. Okay, so the explanation of this section, time of payment is not automatically an essential term. It becomes only essential in the contract stated so. Okay, go to the application now. How you want to relate to the scenario? Okay, obviously, okay, Mrs. Leong, okay, mentions that